I got that bitch knocking. Niggas wanna play, but man, we get locking. You ain't never seen it, cause we gotta get the diss money. Nigga, ain't nothing been funny. I said shout out to that boy English. I been going dummy, up above the mental, nigga. Yeah, I'm power hungry, fuck you mean. I'm going crazy like a motherfucking fiend. I see the green, so I know I need to turn it up another level. I don't offer no motherfucking rebuttal. Niggas wanting to stay humble, I'm like, nah, what it really do? I'm trying to fly up through the sky, me and my niggas high, I'm just trying to pass by. Most of these niggas be wasting on they fucking time. I stay up on my grind, fuck you mean. This shit is starting to get a little bit mean, so I just gotta glide through the scene. Me and my niggas cheese, cause we so motherfucking geeked. What you really wanna do?